Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm bringing to you a new recipe or evening snack, I could say, or maybe even for a breakfast. So this is Desi burger, and for this I'm taking a mixing bowl into which I'm taking cooked potato and mashing it. You can take the quantity that you want to prepare for. I have taken one full potato here and I'm mashing it. You can also use any kind of spatula to do this, or you can use your bare hand like I did. After this I'm adding turmeric powder and a little bit of chili powder. You can also add green chili, the chopped green chili. I'm adding salt to taste, and to this I'm going to add a little bit of garam masala, maybe about a spoon, and then I'm adding coriander, chopped coriander. I'm going to mix it nicely, and our filling will be ready here. So this is how it is going to turn up, and then because we are going to steam it, I'm not cooking it any further, so this is what it will be. So once this is ready, we'll make patties out of it, and we are using just little steel bowls to do this, so this is going to be interesting one. For this I've taken about 3 tablespoons of besan and 1 tablespoon of suji, and I'm adding turmeric and salt and some coriander again, also adding ginger, grated ginger, and squeezed lemon here. So this will make our outer batter, and to this to get a little bit of fluffiness into this, I'm adding a little bit of fruit salt or eno, and I'm mixing it with water. The consistency should not be very flowy, it should just be about this much, just falling consistency from the spoon. Let's just allow it to rest for about 2-3 minutes. By then we will prepare the base, for which I have taken 2 slices of bread and taking a katori and cutting it. I'm using a little bit of English here, I hope you all understand. I will also leave the recipe in English in case you need it. So we're just making 2 circles out of the bread using a small bowl like this, and I'm going to put use the same bowls to make the Desi burger that I just mentioned, and use a steamer to steam and get the final burgers ready. So first we'll keep the 2 katoris or 2 bowls that we are using, and I'm placing the bread that we just cut into circles and placing it here. I'm using mint chutney and tomato ketchup here. All the burgers are not complete without any mint chutney, so I'm going to add that. I'm going to also add the potato filling that we just prepared and top it with tomato, onion, and a slice of paneer. You can also use cheese. So this is how it is going to be, and then on top of this we are going to add the batter that we just prepared with the flour, that is besan flour and suji. So this is going into steamer, and we'll allow it to steam for about 5 minutes. By then it should be ready, or you can also use the knife test to see if it is coming out clean, then you know that it is ready. So let's wait and allow it to steam. So now after steaming and after allowing it to cool completely, you just invert it, and then your Desi burgers are ready. I bet this looks a little challenging and time consuming, but with everything set aside and keep all those things that you have, you keep it aside and start making it. I'm sure you're going to enjoy the process and also the taste, and this is how it is. If you like, don't forget to follow.